Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a static sway tangle. Now obviously if you've done a sway tangle before that will help, and you definitely need to have done a sway before, but apart from that you should be good. Links to those two moves will be in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them before you go for this, they're there ready for you. Anyway, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's break it down. It starts off just like a standard sway. So we go right to right, we go back, we wrap the lady, we sway the lady back, so back on the right foot for the guys as well as the ladies, picking up the spare hand. We sway back onto the front foot, but we don't actually move the feet. This time, as we take the lady onto her back foot, we bring the left hand up, it comes across the lady's body and folds to her shoulder. The guy heads down the right hand side around the lady, get some good eye contact en route, pick up the other shoulder, and ladies, of course, when you're doing this to music, you want to keep moving, doing whatever you want to do on the spot to keep things happening. Guys, left elbow up, so we walk past the lady to go over the top, get through back to the right hand side and make eye contact. Ladies, look back at the fellas, and then all we do, guys, let go with the left, pull with the right, unwind into a return, followed by a return spin and catching the left. Now because of that fairly large amount of rotation in a return direction, it's a really good idea between goes while you're practicing to give the lady a chance to go the other way. But it's also a thing that when you're in freestyle, if you're going to use a move like that, it's a good idea to use it after a move where you did maybe a couple of turns, so then you do this to balance up, or at least do something with a couple of turns after it to help balance up. So let's do it from the other side and think numbers. So we go back 1, wrap into the sway 2, swaying back 3 and forwards 4, to the shoulder 5, to the other shoulder 6, over the top with the elbow 7, eye contact 8, rolling away 1, return 2, return spin 3 and catch 4. It is possible to do the rotations at the end faster, so instead of being over 3 counts it could be over 2 counts, and if you're crazy loopy you could probably even do it over 1 count, but I wouldn't recommend it, certainly not in a social dance environment, maybe in a competition. And that's it. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a static sway tangle. We go back, wrap, backwards, forwards, shoulder 1, shoulder 2, elbow over and look, unwind, over, spin and catch. And that's it. Go out, use it carefully, don't make your partners dizzy. Okay, do like, subscribe and hit the bell if you're finding what we're doing useful. It helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everybody who does that. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. If you have any comments or questions, pop them in the comment section below and we will try to answer them if you have a question. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.